So how to make documents and contracts. First of all, you're going to open up a new template like this. Then you need to have your contract in written form like this. You can just copy all the contract, copy it, and you just add it like this. Once you do that, just going to delete this. And make sure all the fields like these have some space like this. And then you're going to click on add an element. Then in here, this is the fillable fields, and this is what you will be using. Like, for example, this is a date section, so we're going to add this date section right here. We're going to drag it and place it in the correct spot like this. Then we're going to add some space between all these fields, so have and like this. Then we're going to add all the like guardian full and name and legal name. We're going to enter it like this. And then same for the phone number. Like instead of saying enter value, you can name it name like this. And then we can add another text box for the phone and place it like this. Then this is the checkbox. So we can make it shorter like this. And we can have it not required like this and like this. And then add another text field. We can make it not required as well. And there you go. And let's add another one as well. You can add a signature field like this and make it shorter. Place it like this. Then we can find other fields. Like these are some checkboxes that we can add. And this is another checkboxes that we can add. And then we can add some space like we did before. Same in here. And since this is an optional but recommended, we can add the signatures like this, and we can add other fields as well, like the printed name, and we can have it as not required. Same with the date. And there you go. So with this, all of our fields are added, as you can see. And once that's done, we can go inside settings and change the subject and even change the default template as well. And we can see the pages as well. And now we're going to name this template as this template, and we're going to click on save. Once this is done, we're going to click on this use template, and it's going to open up the template editor. And there you go. So now you're going to have this new field called recipient. So you can even set a signing order as well, like who should sign first and who should sign later. And in the primary contact, we're going to basically add the person that the contact is for. Like for example, let's use Barbara as an example. So this is going to be the primary one, and we're going to add our own recipient as well. Like as we are from Canadian British Federation, we're going to add our contact in here as well. For example, let's use Tracy as an example, and there you go. So now we're going to select which fields need to be filled out by Tracy and which fields need to be filled out by Barbara. To do that, we're going to click on the field like this, and to be filled by, we can change it to Tracy, we can change it to Barbara, we can even choose a format and anything. That's what you can do if you want two persons to make a contract. We can even have it as a single person as well, that a single person can fill all of these out. Once that's done, I'm going to click on save, and then we can just click on send, and we can either send it via document, via email, or SMS, and we can even share it by a link as well. And this is how you can create contacts and